Meet Harriet. She's a sewing cabinet that blends classic style with modern muscle and does it all at a seriously smart value. The Harriet comes in two durable wood grain finishes, Teak and White, with over 6.5 feet of workspace, a right side extension leaf for your notions. You'll always have room to create. Add the optional 20-inch back quilt leaf. You'll instantly gain extra support behind or to the left of your machine. At the center of it all is Harriet's 3-position hydraulic lift. This powerful, sturdy lift was designed to fit about 90% of the sewing machines on the market. Move easily from storage to free arm to flatbed positions. And with your custom acrylic insert in place, your work surface stays perfectly flush and smooth. Stay organized with 4 spacious drawers, a deep door cubby, and hooks for hoops, scissors, or rotary cutters. When you're done, the cabinet folds into a compact, home-friendly footprint and moves easily on heavy-duty locking casters. Timeless look, flexible workspace, built to grow with you. That's Harriet, ready for whatever you're creating next.